Are you ready to take your coffee game to the next level? Introducing the professional commercial 2-group semi-automatic espresso machine by SWF, your ultimate brewing powerhouse. With a capacity of up to 150 cups, this espresso machine is built for cafes, hotels, and serious home baristas. Crafted with durable stainless steel, it's not just stylish, it's built to last. Need precision? You've got it. With programmable functions, temperature control, and a hot water system, every espresso shot is consistent and smooth. And with 7,500 watts of raw brewing power, you're looking at lightning-fast performance, even during peak hours. It's energy efficient too, rated Class A. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year warranty and includes on-site installation. Just plug in and start brewing. So if you want to impress your customers or guests with professional-grade espresso, this is your moment. Don't wait, upgrade your coffee setup today. Click the link below and grab yours now.